Hey everyone! Are you confused about whether ChatGPT or DeepSeek is the better AI tool for you? In this video, we'll compare both and help you decide which one suits your needs best. So, stay tuned till the end. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, this is one of the most powerful AI tools available, based on natural language processing. Whether you need to generate essays, brainstorm ideas, or even write code, ChatGPT has got you covered. Now, let's see ChatGPT in action. Here, I'll ask it to generate a blog idea. See how quickly it responds with relevant topics? This makes it an excellent choice for students, writers, and professionals who need creative assistance. ChatGPT also has a user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for beginners. If you ask it about today's latest news, it won't be able to provide up-to-the-minute details. Also, sometimes it gives inaccurate or irrelevant answers, known as hallucinations. And yes, while there's a free version, if you want advanced features, you'll need to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. Now, let's move on to DeepSeek. This AI tool is designed to provide real-time data access. If you need the latest information, research data, or technical insights, DeepSeek might be a better option. Let's see it in action. That's something ChatGPT can't do. This makes DeepSeek a strong contender for finance professionals, researchers, and analysts. However, DeepSeek isn't as versatile as ChatGPT. If you're looking for creative writing assistance or brainstorming support, it may not be as helpful. Also, since it's a newer tool, there aren't as many tutorials or community resources available. Now, let's compare both tools side by side. Performance. ChatGPT excels in creative tasks and general knowledge. DeepSeek is superior when it comes to real-time data and technical queries. Features. ChatGPT helps with essays, stories, and code generation. DeepSeek delivers up-to-date research and financial insights. Pricing. ChatGPT has a free version, but its best features require a subscription. DeepSeek's pricing structure varies, but it also offers paid plans. Use cases. ChatGPT is best for writers, students, and general users. DeepSeek is best for researchers, analysts, and professionals who need real-time data. So, what's my personal take? I've used both tools extensively, and here's my honest opinion. For creative work like writing scripts, blogs, or coding assistance, ChatGPT is the clear winner. But when I need up-to-date information, especially for market trends or research reports, DeepSeek is my go-to choice. I also checked online forums, and most users agree. ChatGPT is highly versatile, but DeepSeek is unbeatable for real-time insights. So really, it all depends on what you need the tool for. To wrap it up, we've compared ChatGPT and DeepSeek in detail. If you need an AI tool for creative tasks, writing, or general knowledge, then ChatGPT is your best bet. But if your focus is on real-time data, research, or financial insights, then DeepSeek is the smarter choice. My recommendation: try both tools and see which one fits your needs better. Let me know in the comments. Which AI tool do you prefer? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI comparisons and tech updates. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.